Growth marketing is all about using data to find smarter, faster ways to grow your business. It's not about one big campaign or a flashy ad. It's about testing, learning, and improving everything you do to attract and keep customers. So, what exactly is growth marketing? It's a way of looking at the entire customer journey, not just the part where someone first discovers your business. You focus on every step, how they find you, how they experience your product, how you keep them coming back, and how they tell others about you. The goal is to create a system that consistently improves over time. Growth marketers run small, focused experiments to see what really works, then double down on the winners. Every decision is backed by data, not guesses. There's a simple model that guides all of this called AARRR. It stands for acquisition, activation, retention, referral, and revenue. Acquisition is how people find your business. Activation is when they first experience the value you offer. Retention is about keeping them engaged and coming back. Referral is when they tell others about you. And revenue is how you increase lifetime value through upsells or repeat business. Now, here's how growth marketing differs from traditional marketing. Traditional marketing usually focuses on awareness, big campaigns, and brand recognition. It often stops once a sale happens. Growth marketing keeps going. It tests every stage of the customer experience, making small, data-driven changes that add up to big results. Instead of running one campaign for a quarter, growth marketers are testing constantly. They might experiment with landing pages, emails, social media posts, or pricing, all to see what gets the best response. Here's the key difference. Traditional marketing measures things like impressions or reach, while growth marketing tracks retention, referrals, and revenue. It's not about how many people saw your ad, it's about how many people stuck around and bought again. At the heart of growth marketing is experimentation. Every test has a clear goal. You measure the results, learn what worked, and build from there. A lot of great ideas come from this process, like Dropbox's referral program, which started as a simple test and became a massive success. Next, let's talk about the customer journey. Growth marketers look at every touch point, from the first time someone hears about your business to how they become loyal fans. That means improving your website, onboarding process, emails, and support. Each piece plays a role in keeping customers happy and engaged. It's not just a marketing job. Growth marketing only works when teams collaborate, marketing, product, and engineering all working together. When everyone shares insights, you move faster and build better experiences. Now let's look at a few key tactics. Content marketing and SEO are still core pieces. Creating helpful, valuable content builds trust and brings in long-term traffic. The trick is to make content that actually helps your audience solve real problems. Email marketing is another major channel. Done right, it's personal and automated. You can set up welcome emails, onboarding series, and re-engagement messages that speak directly to what each customer needs. Referral and viral marketing are powerful too. If people love your product, make it easy and rewarding for them to share it. Some of the fastest growing companies got that way by encouraging users to invite their friends. Metrics are what keep it all on track. You need to measure acquisition cost, customer lifetime value, churn rate, and retention. The idea is simple. Spend less to get a customer and earn more from keeping them. To do all this, you'll rely on tools. Analytics platforms like Google Analytics or Mixpanel show you how customers behave. CRMs like HubSpot or Salesforce keep track of relationships. Tools like Optimizely or VWO let you test ideas quickly. The best setups make sure your data flows smoothly from one tool to another. When you're ready to build a team, you'll need a mix of skills, people who can analyze data, run experiments, write content, and build campaigns. The most effective growth marketers combine creativity with a deep understanding of numbers. If you're starting from scratch, focus on a few simple steps. First, track everything. You can't improve what you can't measure. Second, find the biggest points of friction in your customer journey. Third, start testing small changes and scale what works. Every company will hit challenges. Maybe you don't have a big budget, or maybe your team isn't used to testing ideas. Start with small wins. Run a few simple experiments that show real results. Once people see it working, they'll buy in. Measurement can be tricky too, especially when customers interact with you across multiple channels. Focus on overall growth and retention rather than trying to credit every single click. The future of growth marketing is exciting. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are making it easier to personalize experiences, predict customer behavior, and automate testing. Privacy rules are changing how we collect data, so first-party data, the information you gather directly from your own customers, is becoming more important than ever. We're also seeing a shift toward community-driven growth. Customers trust real people more than ads, which is why creator partnerships and user-generated content are growing so fast. Finally, product-led growth is becoming a major trend. The idea is simple. Your product itself becomes the main driver of growth. The better the experience, the more people stay, upgrade, and tell others. In the end, growth marketing isn't a magic trick. It's about testing ideas, learning from the data, and improving one step at a time. When you do it right, you're not just growing faster, you're building a business that keeps growing on its own.